Alright, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and tonight we're making a garlic paste. Now you're going to need garlic cloves, salt, and olive oil. That's it, plus a knife, cutting board, and a container with a lid. Let's start off by peeling your garlic and getting rid of the skins. Now, it really makes it easy. If you take the fat side of the knife, press down, the skin will come right off. Once you get them peeled, you're gonna chop, mince, crush, whatever you want. You can also use a food processor or mortar. I don't care. Add some salt to taste. This is up to you how much, but you can always add more throughout any point of the process here. So after that, you just get it down into the consistency that you like. It's getting there, not quite there, but you just want to get one more good smash in before you cut it off. There you go. Now, got the consistency I like. See how it's a nice paste here? Yep, see, smear. There, that's the final smash. Couldn't resist getting one more in there. Then you're going to transfer it to your jar. And you're going to pat it down just a little bit. And then you're going to cover it with olive oil. This will keep it fresh, preserve it, and prevent oxidation. Now, this will keep in the fridge for a good bit, and it makes it real easy, kind of a kitchen hack, if you will. Enjoy!